Hey, welcome. Thanks for joining me here in RJ's Cave, the place where RJ raves. You are awesome. And Alit Bata has been nowhere to be found. It's been a little more than a month and he hasn't posted a new video yet. So this being Sunday, March 5th, I was trying to wait him out over the weekend. I thought for sure he'd post something. Well, he didn't, so here we are. I took a look around and seemed a few years wanted me to do something new with DIMAS Senopati. So we're going to go check something out from him. This one from DIMAS Senopati. It's a cover of Four Non-Blondes, What's Up? Now, I don't know if I'm familiar with the song or not. I don't know it by name. I'm not a fan of not Four Non-Blondes, at least not specifically. So I may have familiarity with the song, but I don't know. But either way, this is going to be new to me. So I'm looking forward to it. Let's get started. Alright, I'll just say right now, I do recognize the melody, and I'm interested in hearing how he does this. This should be cool.
25 years in life is still trying to get out that red big hill of hope for a destination. I realized quickly when I knew I should that the world was made up of this brotherhood of men, for whatever that means. And so I cry sometime when I'm lying in bed, just get it all out what's in my head. And I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, I said, hey, what's going on?
He can get so high. It is so impressive how high he can get. And I don't know if it's a falsetto or not. That's really what makes it impressive. A lot of people, when they get up that high, it's purely falsetto, and you can tell because there's just a difference. But he's so comfortable right near that point anyway that he can just get there very naturally, very fluidly, and there's no effort. And I don't even know if he's doing it or not. Phenomenal.
And I try, oh my God, I try all the time in this institution, and I pray.
It's almost unnaturally high that as high as he can get. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. As high as he can get is almost unnaturally high, seemingly to me anyway. And he can also get really heavy grit as well, but that's for another time.
Oh my God, I pray a single day for evolution. sometime when I'm lying in bed, just get it all out what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And so I wake in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream from top of my lungs, what's going on? And I say, ah, yeah, yeah, ah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I say, ah, yeah, yeah.
Wow.
I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, yeah, yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? And I said, hey, yeah, 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 yeah. I said, hey, what's going on? Years and my life is still trying to get up that great big hill of hope for a destination.
Right.